If you've ever wanted to rearrange pages in your PandaDoc file without starting over, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to move pages around in the PandaDoc editor fast, easy, and without losing your work. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. First, open your document or template in the PandaDoc editor. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the Page Thumbnails panel, which gives you a visual overview of all your pages. If you don't see it, click the Pages icon on the left toolbar. It looks like a stack of pages. This will open the panel. Now find the page you want to move. Click and hold the page's thumbnail. Then drag it to the spot where you want it to be. As you drag, a marker line will appear showing exactly where the page will land. Once you're happy with the position, just release your mouse. PandaDoc updates instantly. No need to hit save. So your page is now exactly where you want it. And that's it. You've successfully rearranged pages in your PandaDoc file. Reordering pages is a simple trick that can make your documents flow better and look more professional. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials.